Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.47 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Neon gas generally used in the signboards. If it emits strongly at 616 nanometer, calculate A. the frequency of emission, B. distance traveled by the radiation in 30 seconds, C. energy of the quantum, and D. number of quanta present if it produced 2 joule of energy. So friends, they are talking about a neon gas which is emitted by the signboard. Signboards usually use the neon gas that will be emitting some kind of radiation. So the wavelength lambda of the radiation there gave 616 nanometer, or we can write 616 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, because as already I told you 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. We convert it into meter. Now next thing, they gave the lambda wavelength and now they are asking, so one by one we'll go. A is frequency of the emission. Now frequency of emission, that is mu, is formula should be C upon lambda. We knew mu is equal to C upon lambda, where C is the speed of light. Its value is fixed. C's value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Upon lambda, we'll write 616 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now meter is cancelled with meter and we can write it like 3 upon 616 into 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power, now minus 9 will become plus 9 and per second is left over. Now to simplify this, what we will do, we will make the 3 to 3000. It means we are shifting the decimal 3 step rightward. So the power will be 10 to the power, now it is 5. 3 step minus, 3 minus from 8 into 10 to the power 9 already present. Now upon 616 per second. Now when we do the division of this, we will get the answer here 4.87 into 10 to the power. Now 9 plus 5, it will be 14 and the answer is this plus 1. So this is the frequency. We get the first answer over here. Frequency. Now come up to the B. In the B part, they ask distance traveled by the radiation in 30 seconds. So time they gave 30 seconds, and we knew that the speed is equal to distance upon time. Or from here we can say that distance is equal to speed into time. Now speed is the same, the speed of light, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, into time is 30 seconds. Now second will cancel out with per second, and 3 into 30, it is 90 into 10 to the power 8 meter, or we can write the distance D is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 meter. We shift the decimal 1 step leftward and will add 1. So this is the answer for the B, the distance traveled by the radiation. Now come up to the C part of the question, that is C, they are asking energy of the quantum. So energy is denoted by E and its value formula is E is equal to H mu. where h is the Planck's constant and mu is the frequency that we calculated earlier. So apply the values in the formula. H value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. This is Planck's constant. Into frequency, what we get is 4.87 into 10 to the power 14 per second. Now, doing the calculation, we will get, see, second and per second will be cancelled out, and after multiplication we will get the value of 32.27 into 10 to the power minus 34 plus 14, it become minus 20, and it is the joule because energy's unit is joule. Now the C part is also here. It is solved, so easy. Come up to the D part. Total number of photons or total number of quanta. So we knew that if this energy is for the one photon, so if we multiply n number of photons in the energy of one photon, we will get the total energy. This is called total energy. So number of photons, total number of photons into energy of one photon gives the total number of energy or energy total. So it is given here, total energy they gave 2 joule. So from here we will get the value of n is equal to total energy upon energy of one photon. So total energy they gave 2 joule. Energy of one photon we get 32.27 into 10 to the power minus 20 joule. Now joule and joule cancel. So if we give 2 upon 32.27 into 10 to the power minus 20 will become plus 20. Now to ease the calculation, we will write 200 into 10 to the power. Now minus 20 we shift the decimal 2 step rightward. It means minus 2. So 20 minus 2 it become 18 upon 32.27, and from here we will get the answer. After doing division, the number of photons or number of quanta, it should be 6.2 into 10 to the power 18, and this is the answer for the last part of the question, total number of quanta. So friends, basic calculations, basic formulas, you need to learn these formulas because it will be asked many times in the question. So please like, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be there with the next coming video. Till then, thank you.